coding for over 7 years, but if I were starting today, I will do it very differently. The tools are smarter, thanks AI. The resources are better, but the confusion is still very real. If you are overwhelmed, stuck, or unsure whether to start with HTML, JavaScript, C++, C# or any other programming language, this video is for you. Here is the truth. You don't have a learning problem and you are not stupid, you just don't have a clear path. What you need is a step-by-step plan on what to learn and how to learn it. By the way, I am Anna and I went from working on a farm in England to earning a 6-figure salary as a senior front-end engineer without a degree. And I want to help you cut through the noise and start learning the smart way. Before we even touch the code, let's talk about something most beginners skip. It's your mindset and your daily habits. Coding isn't just typing lines of code. It's mentally demanding. You will spend hours debugging, solving problems and staring at your screens. Your energy, focus and resilience are just as important as your skills. Here is what I would start with. Stretch or move every morning to wake up your body and mind. Take a 5-minute break every 90 minutes. Sleep 7-9 hours. Your brain actually consolidates learning while you rest. Even small changes like this will make your learning faster, reduce burnout, and keep you consistent. Now let's talk about what really matters when you start coding, the fundamentals. Forget trying to learn everything at once. You should focus on variables and data structures. You should look into the loops and conditionals. You should look into the functions. You should learn basic data structures like arrays and dictionaries. You should look into simple algorithms like searching and sorting, and think of this as the building blocks. AI tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT can help, but you need to understand the grammar before you can write poetry. Once you know the basics, it's time to pick your first language. And don't overthink this. For beginners, I will start with either Python or JavaScript. Python has clean syntax, beginner-friendly, and used in web, AI, and automation. JavaScript is the language of the web. Master this and you can build websites and full applications. The goal here is to really learn one language well, and once you do it, picking up others become much easier. Here is something that you need to hear. The software industry is changing. Layoffs, AI replacing junior roles, and insane competition are real. You might see people going through 6 rounds of interviews and still not landing the job. It's tough. But there is an opportunity too. Developers who adapt, collaborate with AI and focus on solving real problems will thrive. And the trick isn't working harder, it's learning strategically. You don't really learn coding by watching tutorials. You learn by building. So you should start small. You should start maybe building a command line calculator, a to-do list app, your personal website. And after that, you can gradually increase complexity, like integrating the APIs, add databases, build projects that you can show others. And yes, every project should live on GitHub with a README explaining what you built and what you learned. This will showcase your communication skills. AI can help generate code, debug errors, but don't just copy it. Understand it. The goal is efficiency, not shortcuts. Start sharing your journey from day one. You don't need to be an expert, just document progress. Write blog posts, post small wins on social media, share projects on GitHub, join communities on Discord, on Reddit, on X. Teaching is learning, and your online presence becomes your portfolio, your network, and proof of dedication. Finally, focus on growing skills with intention. Don't just chase jobs. Look for opportunities where you will learn fast. Startups, agencies or teams with mentorship. Keep a growth mindset. Bugs, errors, confusion, they are not failures, they are signs that you're growing. Embrace discomfort, iterate, and move forward. Now let's talk about how to use AI to accelerate learning. Back when I learned coding, you could memorize syntax and go. Today, there is too much to learn, but AI can help you. Debug errors, explain concepts you don't understand. Treat AI as your coding assistant. It can suggest modern best practices. It can keep you up to date with changing frameworks. But here is the key: don't let AI do the work for you. Use it as a tutor, not a replacement. Feed it code, ask questions, and apply the knowledge in real projects. Courses are good for structure, but the real-world projects teach independence. After a course or a section, build something yourself. Debug it, refactor it, as this teaches you the most important skill for any software engineer: problem solving. Here is the few more things that will make your journey smoother. Pace yourself and avoid burnout. Set specific measurable goals. Celebrate small wins. Teach someone else what you learned. Build and learn in public. Every small step compounds over time. So if I were starting today, I will build habits that support focus and resilience. I would learn core concepts of programming. I would pick a beginner-friendly language. I would build projects from day one. I will document my journey and join communities. I will grow my skills with AI, curiosity, and growth mindset. And in 6 months from now, if you follow these steps consistently, you will look back and be amazed how far you have come. By the way, I also created a software engineering starter guide with a clear, actionable plan, link in the description of this video. Grab it and start your coding journey today. And if you want more advice, check out my video on 7 years of software engineering in 7 minutes, or my another video where I explain how to navigate layoffs safely. Remember, your first line of code is the most important step. Start now, stay consistent, and 6 months from now, you will be in a completely different place.